Here is, again, chapter 3, but it's set 2. Let me get up where you can see that original question. Which of the following is not a special journal? Okay, so we're looking for a journal that is not a special journal. You have to read these questions carefully because you're looking for the exception. The answer there, of course, is the first one, a general journal. Now we are talking about a special journal, talking about the sales journal. Answer, very first response there, sales of inventory on credit. Okay, so it's a credit sale, goes in the sales journal. Here we have Chandler Company. They sold some merchandise on credit. Where do you record it? A sale on credit has to be the sales journal. Here again, sales journal. This one is pretty redundant. Journal that is used to record and post transactions of a similar type. And so, once again, first response there, special journal. Number 5, a list of individual accounts. Keyword there is individual, probably. Individual accounts was a common characteristic. You know that that's got to be a subsidiary ledger. First response. Right here, this is just another way of saying the same thing. A list of individual accounts was a common characteristic. Again, answer, subsidiary ledger. Just phrased a little differently. A subsidiary ledger is a list of individual accounts with a common characteristic. First response. Number 7, we're talking about a particular subsidiary ledger has a separate account for every supplier. That's accounts payable, right? Supplier, we're buying from our suppliers. We owe them. Accounts payable ledger. First response. Number 8, list of separate accounts that show the balances outstanding from credit customers is the answer there. Number 8, an accounts receivable ledger is a, here, let me get it up where you can see the question. There it is. An accounts receivable ledger is a first response list of the separate accounts that show the balances outstanding from your credit customers. And number 9, Accounts payable ledger, first response contains a separate account for every supplier to your company. And finally, number 10, the accounts receivable ledger. First response stores transaction data for individual customers. That concludes set 2, chapter 3.